Now, I want to make sure that we cover Privacy Academy,
Yep.
and we can talk about like where people start. But let's talk about privacy. So I want people to learn about Privacy Academy. What is it you do, and then talk about how do they get started. Like, what
Yeah.
is do they join? Do they become a member of Privacy Academy? And then how
Yeah.
do they get
So
started in terms of getting private?
yeah. So if you come to privacyacademy.com, there's some different tier levels of support, but it's basically a membership that you join. You can cancel anytime that you want to, but we've got a series of pre-recorded videos that you and lessons that you just do on your own speed. And this is one of the things that I tell people about when you want to do privacy. A lot of people say, okay, I want to do privacy. And so then they go and they gorge themselves with all of these different YouTube videos and the different websites and all this stuff. And then they just get to the point, it's like, oh my God, there's so much I can't handle this. And they get overwhelmed. They say, I'm not tech enough to do this. And then they give up. But that's only because you've done it the wrong way. What we do is we just give you bite-sized pieces. Okay, do this. And here's this lesson. Don't look at anything else. Don't think about anything else. Just do this. Then do this. Then do this. And then before before long, you look back and you like, wow, you're really good. So I was talking to one of our members the other day, and this was probably a 70-year-old lady, and she has a password manager, a really good password manager. She uses two-factor authentication she uses two-factor authentication apps or like YubiKey hardware tokens. She does email aliases. She uses privacy.com virtual cards to shop online. The way that she shops online now, she follows our protocols, and so she can't be hacked or so when she buys something online, it's not tied to her. It's not tied to her identity. It's not tied to her phone number. It's not tied to her email address. It's not tied to her name. So any database that gets breached can't be linked back to her. And so I was just going through I was asking her, I was just saying, what about this? What about this? Are you doing this? Are you using a VPN, a good VPN? She's on Linux now. She's using Zorn. And I'm like, you do realize now that you are a very advanced privacy expert, right? And you
Yeah.
are a power user. And she said, I didn't realize how far I had come with this. And so, yeah, it's pretty cool how far we can bring people that are just normal people to really be very, very good at this stuff. And so anyway, just to go back, so we have the pre-recorded lessons that take you through bite-sized pieces. Then we have live trainings every week from different privacy experts, and we have a online community that is really awesome. We have a lot of people that are very active. These are privacy and liberty-loving people, and they help each other, and it's awesome.
Yeah, so another thing I love about your community and communities like this is that, because I totally agree. If somebody just goes to YouTube and starts like, how do I get secure? How do I get private? Their whole feed is going to be loaded up with
Yeah.
all these different influencer created threats, and I'd say like 80% of the threat videos on YouTube are all about just getting clicks. And if I were to make a video about, hey, you don't have to worry about this thing. Okay, don't get distracted by this threat over here that was solved, 10 years ago. Focus on this other thing. That's going to get 50 views to 500 views.
Yeah.
But if I were to make a video that's like, this is doom and gloom, you're going to get everything stolen from you if you don't do this. Even if it's like inaccurate and false, then it's going to get tons and tons of views and people can monetize that. But if they go to a community like yours, you're filtering out and saying, look, here's where we're going to start, and here's step by step.
Yeah.
and get people to focus on the right things, because there's a lot of bad videos on YouTube, and I'm sure it's just across all the other platforms, and it's one of the reasons why I'm very, very happy to send people over to your organization. Now, if
Yeah, thank you.
for somebody that's just like, how do I get started? And are there like 2 or 3 things that I can do, like kind of quickly, that aren't like, cost an arm and a leg? What would be like the recommendations of